Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to download Linux Mint to a USB drive. All you need is a USB stick with at least 16 GB of memory. That way your Mint program will run properly once it's up and loaded. Alright, so make sure you have your USB stick already plugged in and ready to go. And let's get started. Let's begin by opening up your preferred web browser. And in the search bar, we're going to type in Linux Mint. On their homepage, you'll see the latest version of Mint. Currently, they have a 21.3 Virginia version. You will also see the installation guide. So let's go ahead and click on that. As you can see, the installation guide goes over the installation process. And we are specifically going to be looking at the USB installation process, but we'll come back to that a little bit later. Back on the download screen, you will see a variety of flavors for Mint. We're going to go ahead and download Cinnamon because it is the most popular and it is very user-friendly. So let's go ahead and click the download button under Cinnamon, and you will see a few options here. There is a BitTorrent download, but that is not actually what we are looking for. What we want are the mirror images to install on our USB stick. For a faster download, you want to select the host from your region. I'm in the US, so I'm going to just select the first US host, and that will give us our image. It will end in a .iso file, and that's what you want. Now, this download might take a while, so while we wait for it, we're going to go back to the installation guide and take a look at our next step. We are going to go to the live boot options, and there it will give us different ways on how to install our new mirror image depending on which operating system you're using. Since I'm on a Windows PC, I'm gonna have to download the Etcher program, and luckily for us they have it right here in the guide. So I'm gonna go ahead and click that. On the Etcher download screen, we are going to select the version that is compatible with your operating system. Again, I'm on a Windows PC, so I'm going to select the Windows version. At this point, you should already have your USB stick inserted and ready to go. After the Etcher program is finished downloading, you want to open up the file and right-click on it and select Run. So after you run the program and the license agreement box pops up, go ahead and select I agree, and that'll automatically start the installation of the Etcher program. Once the installation is complete, Etcher will open up automatically and it's ready to use. And you should see some options to select where you want to pull your image from. You can do it from the file, which is what we did. We downloaded an ISO file. You can do it from a URL, or you can even clone the program. But we are going to go ahead and choose the first option, which is from an .iso file. Then you will be able to select the device that you want to upload it to. It already has my USB selected for me because I already have it plugged into my laptop. So we're not going to change anything there. And we're going to go ahead and hit the option to flash. And that will start the process of installing our Linux Mint Cinnamon flavor onto our USB drive. And we're done. You now have a portable version of Linux Mint installed on your USB drive. where you can load up Linux virtually anywhere.